Well, the answer is in what you're asking me. So bestseller rank, that just means the amount of sales that you make. That's what bestseller rank is. Okay. Thanks for that, Mark. I'm going to go and check that out in a second. So your bestseller rank is based upon the number of sales you make, and it's really, that's all they factor in. Okay. However, let's suppose that you're not so obsessed with bestseller rank, because really, who gives a shit? What you're obsessed with is ranking on page 1 of Amazon for your search terms, so you start making sales again. Because by making sales again, you will automatically get your bestseller rank back, okay? But it's making sales and thus making money that's the important consideration. So how do you do that? The answer to that is, it's actually much, much easier to relaunch a product that's been inactive than it is to launch a brand new product. And the reason for that is sales history. So if you've got a good sales history, Amazon will look at that when they are when you start your launch again, when you reactivate your product. Amazon will look at that and use that as a guide to allow them to see the potentiality of your product. So one of the things that Amazon looks at, we just covered this in our inner circle actually, one of the things that Amazon looks at is the number of sales you are projected to make. And they look at that as a guide to where they should place you in the search engine results page. And the way they get that information is from your sales history. So if you've had good sales history, you sold out really quickly, you were making sales, getting reviews, customers were happy, they will take that into consideration when you relaunch your product. And I have seen, with very, very little work, products go right back to where they were in the search engine results page. Okay, so I've seen that. So clearly, and we've seen the cone as well. I showed all the guys in the inner circle, all the code, what shows you that. It works, okay, it works. So what do you need to do? Easiest thing to do is to start making some sales again. And the easiest way to start making some sales again is to launch Amazon PPC. That's, I have found, the easiest way to get a quick bump up the SERPs page, to allow you to get back on page 1. And then of course you have to stick there, which is a different thing, but that will get you back on page 1 very, very fast. And then given that you're making sales for those keywords, you will automatically stick there. And so by doing that, you'll get your bestseller rank back. I think that's probably the easiest way of doing it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.